morning, greetings, everybody. This is itsHadrian here. Welcome to a new episode of the vlog with what mom made. She made champurrado. This is chocolate rice, Filipino chocolate rice. It's in there, and then she also made bulad, which is fried dried fish. So yummy. Also, the kitchen is still messy, but we're gonna work on it today still.
Maybe from my container.
I know. But right now I'm gonna eat some champurrado. Okay, I'm sitting in John's spot at the table because we just chased out a rabbit from our backyard. It was crazy. It was like 15 minutes of like running around the backyard trying to get that rabbit out. Even though I'm pretty sure lots of rabbits can get into the back, but I've never seen one before. And there was a rabbit and it jumped in between like the fence right there when it was escaping. I know, I was trying to eat all of our veggies. Alright, you guys. So mom has been working on this cabinet. She's gonna make it all baking stuff. Mom, you have a biohazard bag over there. It's like a biohazard bag.
Where?
I think it's full of band-aids. Oh. Alright, so this is some of my collection of like mostly Starbucks mugs. I think we'll do a collection video since I have them all down. I'm just gonna put them in a box. I'm making some headway up there, but over here, mom is making some delicious pasta sauce. What is this called, mom?
Pasta alla vodka.
Pasta alla vodka. The vodka is right here. She used half a bottle. No, just kidding.
No, just a cup.
Alright, we are consolidating even more stuff. I have all my mugs here and there for organization, and I'm going to also possibly take some out of the collection. But mom is over here making some cupcakes for the kids. Special request from Elizo. He really wants cupcakes with blue frosting. So I have to show you guys my secret stash of mugs. I totally forgot what's up here. They're all gonna go down though. But look at this. I have like these two Kate Spade mugs. I have a bunch of those Anthropology letter mugs. This is another Anthro mug. Anthro, Jack Skellington, more Anthro. Oh my gosh, all of these are like Anthro mugs. With the exception of the few Disney mugs and a few Williams Sonomas. And I think those are like maybe Tivana. It's all cleared out! And they're all down there. Hello, mugs. Alright, it's kind of getting there. I don't even know exactly what I'm doing, but these are the things we pretty much use like the most-ish. That stuff up there, don't really use as often. That's why I put it up there, along with that stuff. And then like the more we use it, the lower it goes. So yeah. So it's pretty good. And then I'll fill in some stuff. I'm gonna put some like reusable like Starbucks cups for coffee in that side. And then, but like not all of them, just like my favorite ones. I don't know. I have no clue still. But yeah, that's currently what's happening at the moment. I also want to see if I can get one of those like little shelf things to go over here so I can like have like another set of mugs on top because there's more space, but we'll see. Alright, we're making headway. This is looking good. The top part, things we don't normally use too much, and then all the stuff that we do use a lot is down here where it's reachable without a ladder.
Is there another A?
For?
It spells something.
Baka?
Yeah.
You should just look. Also, this is how the pantry is looking. Ooh, looking pretty we got so far. Meh, hot mess. Alright, so I just started cleaning out the things inside these drawers. This one I just put all of my gold utensils inside of it, inside this little plastic bin that's missing a lid, but it's totally fine because it fits perfectly. These are water filters for the fridge. I just took all these things out because we're gonna put these inside the kitchen somewhere with like the baking stuff. So right now I'm just like, we have like so many random things in here. We have things from parties, we have candles, we have tea lights. So just trying to get everything situated. So I'm just gonna throw everything, take everything that doesn't need to go in here into this box, and then we're gonna organize everything. Also, I do reuse these boxes after I use them. That's why I love the post office boxes, because I'll use them for other things, and then I will also mail things out in these afterwards, but they're perfect for just like using for right now. So yeah, that's what I'm doing. Oh man, it looks like there's some sort of fire back there. Oh man. Oh my gosh, you guys, we found something on the floor. We were scared to see what it was, but it was actually a baby lizard. So I caught it inside this cup, and I'm gonna go release it momentarily once I show it to the boys. Oh, look at it, it's a little lizard. Come here, Liza. Wanna take a look at it? Do you see it?
No.
You like it?
I hatched from its black egg.
Oh, it hatched from an egg?
It's black.
Oh, Liza, are you eating a cupcake?
Why
Ooh, with
naman?
blue frosting, your favorite color.
What kind of
You didn't give any cupcakes to your lizard baby. Where did the lizard come from, Liza?
I didn't know.
You said it hatched from where?
A black wine thing.
A black white thing?
A black.
An egg?
A black egg.
He's already too into his
Black,
cupcake.
black.
Did you see it when it hatched?
what sprinkles do you want?
Also, I zhuzhed up the pillows behind me a little bit. Do you guys like it? I kind of like mixed and matched other pillows that I had in the house. Let me know what you guys think. Do you guys like that? I think it's kind of fun. I always love mixing up and changing up the pillows. And yeah, anyway, let's go show mom. Guys, just came outside. I'm probably gonna water the plants right now. The kids are outside. They wanted to play. Hello, Zachary Banks. Also, this plant has been doing really well ever since I moved it over in this location. So, I don't know, some sort of miracle is happening with this guy. Yeah, that's the rose. Roses have lots of thorns. Hello, Elizo. Beautiful right now. The sun is like shining. I don't know where I think there's like a fire happening over there. I don't know if you can see it from over here. Oh yeah, you can see it. It's right there. That's the fire, I think. Look how hot it is. Like the plants have like started drooping. It'll be fine though once I water them, and they should perk right back up. But yeah, like this one needs water. These need to be taken off because those are the flowers. You always want to take those off. I think I always tell you guys this, but it's so that the stems don't get hard and that it stays yummy when you eat it. Alright, I'm watering all the plants. Even like the ones, like these already have like a drip system, but I always water them just like a little bit extra because it keeps the wood chips like moist, so that when it does get really hot, the water like doesn't evaporate as easily when the wood chips are like not so super dry. So I like to water that. That thing is like growing so quickly, which makes me so happy. Cannot wait for these to bloom again as well. And these guys, like this one and this one, this is a blueberry bush. That one is, I forget what kind of flowering plant it is, but I don't know, like ever since we got it, I feel like it's always kind of looked like that. Though it does have a little bit more leaves now. The other one is looking a little bit more barren, which is here on that side. So, I don't know, we'll see.
Watch me whip.
Over there is where the fire is. Back over there, which is crazy. This cloud is like huge now. Tell everyone what your ideas are for Halloween for the fountain. What were you guys telling me?
Mommy, so you see the fountain that's black. So we decided to we're gonna I dare you to do spiderwebs.
Spider webs on the fountain?
And then we're gonna put some fake spiders in there, which is probably gonna freak me out and give me nightmares.
Whoa. Okay, I have to show you guys all of the eggplants. Look at those. Oh my gosh, there's so many of them. I am just like so excited. Yay. Also back there, where I'm watering right now, those are pineapples. Okay, so this is how the pantry is looking so far. Again, we're still waiting for our baskets to come, so it's gonna change still, but Mom pretty much has organized everything and it's looking pretty good. You guys, Mom and Dad picked some of the jujubes.
Yes, I cut them.
They look yummy.
So good.
Alright you guys, we are now in my room and I think we're going to end the video here. Thank you guys again so much for hanging out today. Don't forget to check out this morning's video as well. And then there's going to be a new one tomorrow at 7 and another vlog up at 2. Tomorrow, what are we going to do? I'm going to try to clean up as much of the kitchen as I can. And I really want to try and... I actually might just start doing this right now after I end the video here with you guys, but I really want to clean up as much of the kitchen as I can since the stuff that Mom ordered for the pantry isn't going to come for like another week and a half. I don't want to like have everything out, and Mom has had like a hard time trying to like finish everything up because everything like the house is just like so like kind of chaotic with like everyone running around everywhere. The kids are always like in and out. And she's like cooking and da-da-da. And I don't know, I feel like it's easier for me to clean when there's like no one around. Like I can clean so fast when it's just by myself. But then when like everyone is just like running around and like it's just like so much harder. Plus I feel like I clean way better in the middle of the night. I don't know why. But that's just, I don't know, it's just the best. I also feel like I really want to steam the floors tonight, but we shall see. Because I don't know, maybe I won't, not tonight, because tomorrow I am going to also cut and dye Mom and Dad's hair, and I might cut Cade's hair. I don't know. He is like, you know how kids are, they like really don't want you to cut their hair ever. And Cade is just like, actually all three of the kids are like that, but Cade and Eliza are like, but I don't know, we shall see. And I actually also do want to film another video too. I want to film my thrifted Starbucks mug video, just because I think I might be getting rid of a lot of them, and I'm gonna consolidate just a few of my favorite pieces just to keep in the pantry, or in the cabinets. So I don't know, we shall see. So also check out the shop, itsHadrian.com. I am listing a bunch of stuff in there. I should be listing some more stuff really soon. Even by the time you see this video, I might have more stuff listed, but I'm not 100% certain. And yeah, so anyway, that's the end of the video. I love you guys so much. Hope you guys had fun today. I'll see you guys all later. Bye!